Hello friends, I am Dr. Ashish. Welcome to my channel Live Biochemistry. In this video, I am going to talk about some useful add-on in the Google Form. So with the help of add-on, you can utilize Google Form in a better way. Okay, so now I am sharing the screen with you. So this is a Google Form. Okay, and here there is a add-on. You can install this add-on from the three vertical dot and select on the add-on, and there are number of add-ons that are available. You can see uh, all this and install according to your need. Okay, but somehow most important tool that I am using that I want to share with you. So suppose I have already made video on Certify EM, that is for the making the certificate. Okay, so when the user fill the data, he get the certificate. Okay, and Timify Me, that is for the setting the timer in the quiz. Then choice eliminator is to eliminate the choice. Okay, so I have made separate video on this Certify EM choice eliminator Timify Me. You can watch this in the my playlist in the form of Google Form. Okay, now what is this form notification? So with the help of form notification, you get the notification for your form. Okay, so if you want to set that after one response, you are a maker of the form, so you want to get notification from the response. So after 5, 10 or 20, you will get the notification. Also, you person will get the thank you email. Okay, like that. And also you can set the feedback. So you have to save the configuration. Then if you share the link, then it will be showing. Okay, so this is a very important tool. Then form publisher, this form publisher is useful tool because it will, when whatever information we are providing, it will convert it to the useful template or as a useful invoice. Okay, so according to that you have to set your information that you want to make and then make the template, and it will okay make it in a very stylish way. That is the use of the form publisher. Okay, then form ranger. So when you want to get multiple, you have a multiple choice that you want to make and you don't want to add everything. So suppose I'm selecting this form ranger. Okay, and start, and here suppose I want to get the information about the name. Okay, so for that I have to either MCQ or drop down menu. Okay, so suppose I am selecting this drop down. Okay, and here you have to get the information. So select this auto repopulate question and every hour. So whenever you update the data from the Google Sheet, then automatically you will get the options. Okay, options are updated. When you update the question list, here is a list. So you have to select populate range. Okay, and select the sheet from which you want to get information. Now the next option is form limiter. So when you select this form limiter, then it will help you to limit this form to fill the form up to certain. So it can use as a option for the timify.me add-on. Okay, so you have to limit what you want to limit: date or time, number of response. Suppose I want to make this form to the response up to 100 or 500, that number you can set, or mainly use for the date and time. Okay, so if I want to make it up to the 29 and timing is up to the okay 2 p.m. okay, and 15 minutes, that I can set here. Okay, so up to that only the forms can be submitted, then forms will not be submitted. This is a very important add-on, right? One other important is form recycler. Here when you want to merge the multiple forms, okay, or when you want to take the question from different form, then it can be used. Okay, so if I select here as a continue, and if I add another Google form, then questions will be added. Like here only the contact name, that information is there. Okay, if I want to add the attendance form here, and if I select it, then both this form will be merged. So this is all about this different add-on in the Google tool. So very important are Certify EM, then Timify.me, Choice Eliminator, Form Notification, Form Ranger, Form Publisher. right? So, and form recycler, all are the very important. If you want to make any separate video about any Google form, let me write in the comment box and let me know, so I will make it. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for my future video also. Thank you all of you for watching. Bye.